Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we dove into customizing our login form using CSS, exploring two methods, creating a separate CSS file, and using style tags in our index code. Today, we're taking it a step further. Get ready, because in this episode, we'll be coding a sleek pop-up function using JavaScript. Stick around for a quick example and using a breakdown on how functions work. So for this video, I want to make this login form that we made on the previous video, and if you haven't watched it, I'll leave it in the end so you can watch it. But I basically want, for whenever I click the submit button, a pop-up message should appear in the top of the screen. How we're gonna do that? We're gonna do that with JavaScript. JavaScript is a language which allows the system, like the web page and the website and other projects, to have a meaning to it. So let me break it down. HTML in front-end, HTML is just basically the structure of a website or a home. CSS is just customizing it, and JavaScript is giving it a brain so you can interact with it. So basically, every button that you see in your browser or anything, when you click that and it puts you to the next page, that's JavaScript, because you interact with it. Now, how are we going to do this project? We're going to make it simple. We're going to use a function. In JavaScript, a function is a block of reusable code that prefers a specific task. So, just a code which does a specific task that we want it to do. Now, for this, we're just going to do a simple alert function. There's two ways you can put JavaScript code. First, being create a separate file. Just Control N, select a language, naming it JavaScript, and saving it as .js. That's it. The other way, to make it easier, I guess, you're just gonna want to type script, enter index, and put your code there. For this, we're just going to type a function. Function. We're going to name our function, which will be show login. Let's just do that. Show log in. I'm going to put these gaps, and we're going to put these. No, I'm sorry. These ones. And we're going to put the specific task that we wanted to do. It's going to be alert for us. And we're going to leave a message to our alert, being joining. But don't forget to put these guys in there and closing them. That's it. That's our function. Not yet, actually. Don't forget to close the brackets. That's our function, but where do we want to put this function? We want to put it to the button. So you click the button, and before it closes, we're going to do a simple task, which is called onClick. So when we click our button, it does the same function that we called it. So we're just going to do onClick, and we're going to put the onClick show login, because we're going to receive this function. So we're going to just show login, basically that. And we're gonna want to do brackets, and that's it. Yep, that's our code. Now let's run it. Let's run it. F5. All right, user Leo or whatever. Password. Submit. Joining. Yep. That's it, guys. Now you have officially made a simple pop-up message. Whenever you click a button or do something, it does a pop-up using JavaScript and functions. It was a really quick tutorial. I hope you use this and in any way you need it. Thank y'all for watching. Have an amazing day.